na. Hug southwest wall, oh. Hug this, oh, DPS.
Ready.
Holding Minerva.
Stay there. Are you just gonna engage here, oh, northeast? Pa-GA ako, be ready, oh. Pagka lumapit, style. Mga DPS. Oh, they don't want to walk in. Yo, one ditang kuwat siya. Come here, south. Come south.
Looking at us.
Come south. Ah, sige lang. I'm gonna play here dangerously, okay, boys? Yup, DPS position west, northwest. On the second gate. We're gonna do over the wall, okay? Northwest, second gate, boys. Don't be also obvious. Be ready. Bend the wall northeast in 3, 2, 1. Northeast. Okay, nice one.
Engaging
Ano,
sila, engaging.
Nice one, nice GA. Yo, asan yung Minerva? Make sure you see, ha? Yo, walk in, get your cooldown. Ilang?
5 seconds. 5 seconds.
5 seconds?
Mer.
Walk in. D-tanks, catch them!
Ready.
Yo, boys! Bilang, stabilize. Yo, come west quickly. Be ready ako dito.
Engaging.
Patay.
Heal, nice one! Look northeast, boys, be ready, northeast. In 3, 2, 1, northeast on me. Okay,
Wala na silang
come southwest. Be ready, knight armor here, ah. Nice J. Come out, guys. Just come out, trust me. Come out. Pats now. Be ready, look north, north in 3, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, north. Nice one. Come south.
Mga tanga.
Sige lang. Stabilize there. The fight is not done yan. Come southwest a little bit. Get your cooldown. Ang gulo ng laro natin.
Going is
Yung Minerva nakapasok.
Yo, walk in. Pa-GA ako
Tagmount.
north. Okay. Pa-walking, pa-GA northeast. Yo, boys, be ready, northeast in 3, 2, 1. He's one, tap! Oh, shit na, sige lang. Go back. Close. Night armor, yes. Okay, we safe. Come southwest. Stabilize there. Nice one. Get your cooldown. DPS, come on, quickly.
Heal.
Lili.
Yo, heal north. Be ready. In the north, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Big.
Nice one. Come southwest. Stop southwest. Stop them, man, sky. Nice one. Good shit. We good. Pats. Nice one.
Up.
Nice J. Come west a little bit. Cleanse inside.
Hill Bushido.
Okay, walking east. Get your cooldown. Let me know. Tell me cooldown. May cooldown ka na in GA. Pa-GA ako. Okay. Cash them. Sige, walking. Just walking. Palo pika. Yo, boys. Wait, shallow. Wait, spread. Come north a little bit. Come here, just east. Okay. Come here, come southwest. Paset up ako, GA, ah. Pagka nagkumpula sila. Come here, guys. Follow me. Come on.
Kaya nyo guys. Dali.
Quickly. GA, sige. GA, boys, be ready. On the GA. In 3, 2, 1. The GA.
Engaging ito.
Hello, Rip Blade. Why I miss ano? They can engage.
Engaging.
Come southeast uphill. Upstairs.
Sige,
See?
Raymond.
Get your cooldown and then walk west DPS, walk west uphill. Walk west. Keep on west. Patay nyo yung solo bomb nila. Boss, you get engaged. Shallow, on me. In 3, 2, 1. Kill the caller. Come here na. Kill one more.
Popping
Sige lang.
Minerva.
Yo, come na. Sige lang. Kill.
Walang trash to
Yo, trash to kin. Trash to.
Nami.
Nag-trash to kanina.
Nagpa ng wall.
Ba? Sige. Yo, boys, hammer here. Hammer. We're gonna fight them. Fight is not over yet. Yo, labas ka dito kasi hindi nasa loob.
Ay naka-infernal sa kanila.
Ano daw?
Sige lang. Get your cooldown. Spread.
Yo, don't stay east.
Kipamerin. Yo, perma-fake nga. Sino ba pwede mag-perma-fake?
Perma, spak no.
Si Kebs na lang ipa-fake ko.
Ready yung
Ah, 60 kasi siya.
Astral nila.
Kipamerin.
May B-roll to.
J, set up. Okay, the GA, wait, no, it's fake, 3, 2, 1, fake. Just fake. Yo, I said fake, eh. What the
Ay,
fuck? Come on, nice one, good shit. Get your cooldown, quickly. Get your cooldown. Let me know cooldown ha. 5 seconds. You should have cooldown. Hold them muna. Hold them. Engaging. Wait. Boss. Okay. No, stay there. Shallow on me in 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Okay, go back northwest. Northwest, hindi dyan. Northwest. Oh, yung JM nag-miss. Get your cooldown.
Sorry, my bad.
Come northwest. Hello, northwest! Guys! Oh my god. Just come northwest. Keep on northwest. Boys, get your cooldown. Keep on northwest. Boys, look south. Be ready, ah. Wait. Come northeast. Boys, be ready. South in 3, 2, 1. South. Keep on northeast. Yo, keep stacking DPS. Yo, help south. Kaya ano ako ng occult doon.
Wait na 5 seconds.
Kasi yung Sige lang. Nice one. Get your occult. Yo, keep on. Get your cooldown DPS. Keep on northeast. Just keep on. Yo, cleanse backline. Get your cooldown. Keep on northeast. Yo, boys, be ready. Look southwest in 3. No, keep on northeast. Northeast. Southeast naman ha. Go wrap around southeast. Yo, southeast. Madam, ba't nandiyan ka? Yo, boys, look west in 3, 2, 1. West. Okay, keep on southeast. Get your occult. Nice one. Yo, Persian, light armor now. Come on, keep on southeast. Lurky, dito yung crown.
Wait.
SGI, keep on south. We just, nice one. Heal asut. Mag-heal ka asut. Mag-Q ka ng sarili mo. Bobo ka ba? Healer ke. Come south. Keep on south. Get your cooldown. I'll do night armor here. Yo, come south. Come on quickly. Boys, look north in 3, 2. Go back south. Keep on southwest. Sige lang. Keep on southwest. Yo, boys, dito I need you to stop the people inside of us. Come southwest. We just wrap around, okay? Yo, first that! Bobo ka naman, Azut! May heal ka! Ba't tayo mag-heal? Madam, mag-heal ka din! Boys, be ready, shallow on me! In 3, 2, 1, shallow!
Hindi na.
Ang bobo nyo pa rin mga healer kayo. Keep on southwest.
Hindi nga. Wala na.
Naglalakad kayo, ba't di kayo nagko-Q?
Wala na.
CD for Silas, boys, we regroup on me, we still good. Spread and get out.
Isa na lang.
Spread and get out.
Na-record ko ba?
Hindi lang kasi yung E, tsaka yung W heal nyo. May Q din. Ang passive nyo mag-Q. DPS, Lurky, kayo, ba't ba kayo naliligaw? Damor na pumupunta kayo sa north, mas nag-i-spread sila. Kasi nga gusto natin gawin, i-panel sila. Ba't yun i-spread sila? Kahit kung tayo, madali lang sila i-panel. Kasi pupunta nila tayo.
Makatalon kanina. May ipa ako dun eh.